welcome to day 20 of my 30-day Pilates and wellness journey, Flourish. My name is Annie and welcome to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. We are on the number 20s now and we're almost finished through strong and well on our 30-day program. This is a beginner Pilates to strengthen your core muscles, gentle isometrics to learn how to do the planks safely and effectively for those beginners. So get your mat ready and join me. Okay, my friends, let's start on your hands and knees position. Hands level to your shoulders, knees on your hips, and let's start with the gentle cat and camel to warm up our spine. As you round your shoulder, inhale, squeezing your core in, pelvic curl. As you exhale, look up. Arching your low back, looking up gently. Inhale, round to an angry cat. Exhale to a camel, arching your low back to feel that lovely stretch. Inhale, round, looking down towards your belly button. As you exhale, looking up gently. 4 more. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more. Feel that lovely movement of your spine. Slow and steady. Warming up is so important, so you're not going to strain yourself as we progress today. Well done. Now grab the mat with your toes. We're going to slowly lift your knees off the mat to a bear plank. So you're going to feel the core ready and your quadriceps working hard in this position. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly lower it down. As you go down, slowly lower your chest towards the mat to do a gentle shoulder push-up, your chest push-up with your elbows pointing out to the side, and then exhale back up. Now lift again to a bear plank. Inhale, exhale down, and then chest push-up as you exhale down. And back to all fours. Lift your knees off the mat. Inhale, and then down, exhale down. Lift, down, and chest push-up. Last one, bear plank. Inhale, exhale down, chest push-up. Well done. Now, with your one leg straight, we're going to challenge this plank position by lifting the right knee off the mat. So it's like a semi-bear plank with the other leg extended, and then lower it down. As you do a push-up, lift the foot up on your left. So I'm lifting my left leg up with my knee straight, and then push up back, and then down to the mat to brace yourself for another semi-bear plank. As you inhale, lift your right knee, squeezing your core in. Inhale, tap down gently. Exhale, gentle push-up with lifting the left foot up, and then back to the mat. As you inhale up, 2 more to go. As you inhale up, your right knee only, and then down. As you lower your chest down, lift the left foot up as much as you can. Exhale down. Last one. Brace the mat with your toes. Lift the right knee off the mat to a semi-bear plank. Feel that core. Exhale down, and then chest push-up. Gently go up. Well done. Place your left knee back to all fours position, and we're going to switch it up to the other side. Extend the right knee. And then we're going to slowly bear plank, this time lifting your left knee off the mat. Brace the toes to the mat. As you inhale, lift. Exhale, back down to the mat. Chest push-up. Lift the right foot with your knee straight, with your elbows pointing out to the side for a chest push-up. back to the mat. Well done. Whew. And now brace yourself again. Semi bear plank. Lift. Inhale. Exhale down. And lift. Lift. Down. Lift your right foot. Lower your for a push-up. Gently go up. Lift the knee on your left. Bear plank on semi. Down. And push up. Last one. Semi bear plank. Inhale. Down. And push up. Back to your hands in this position. Let's rest our wrist and our back by doing a gentle child pose. Sitting on your heels, if you can, extending your arm forward and lower your chest down. And let's hold this in 3 deep breaths to rest. Last deep breath. Beautiful work. This time we are going to our forearm. Now let's lower our elbows down. Clasp your fingers together. Extend your knees to a forward plank position on your forearm. So this is challenging on your elbows. You're going to feel it on your core because this is core isometrics. We're just going to hold this 2 deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Last deep breath in. As you exhale, slowly lower your knees down to rest. Because this is beginner program, I just want you to slowly progress your core strength. And if you can't do 2 deep breaths, you can just do 1 deep breath. So let's do this again. Lift your knees off the mat. Feel that forward plank. Inhale. Exhale. Last deep breath in. As you exhale, lower your knees down to rest. Last one, my friends. Inhale, lift your knees. Forward plank. Inhale. Exhale. Last deep breath in. And exhale down. And to rest, let's go back down to our child pose. Extend your arms sitting down on your hips to rest. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more deep breaths. Last one. And back to your hands and knees. And this time we're going to do hand plank. So hand plank is a little bit more challenging for weak shoulders. So you want to make sure you engage your upper back. So I'm squeezing it. Elbows lock, but try not to hyperextend. You want to make sure your triceps and your biceps are engaged. Gently extend both knees. Keeping your pelvis level, not too high to a downward dog or not too low to upward facing dog. Making sure your hips are level to your shoulders. And let's hold this in 2 deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Lower your knees down to rest. And as I said earlier, if 2 deep breaths are too difficult, you can just do 1 deep breath. Let's try it again. 2 more sets. Lift your knees off the mat. Inhale. Exhale. Squeezing your core in as you exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Lower your knees down and rest. Last one. Lift your knees. Inhale. Exhale. Last deep breath in. Inhale and exhale down. Well done. Those are some isometrics on your hands. And now we're going to our side to target your obliques with your knees bent, hand level to your shoulders, making sure you are not rounding forward, chest out. And if this is too difficult, with one hand, you can use both hands for beginners, for absolute beginners. Slowly lift your hips off the mat. Hold on tight. If you can let go, place your hand on your hip and hold that in 2 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Last deep breath in and exhale down. 2 more to go. Inhale, lift. Squeezing your core in, keeping your shoulder level to your hand. You want to make sure you're not too far or too close. Inhale, and exhale. Last deep breath in and exhale down. Last one, my friends. Isometrics, squeezing your core in. Inhale, exhale. Last deep breath and exhale. Well done. Now we're going to our forearm. Hand facing forward. Elbow level to your shoulder. Knees bent. Slowly lift your hips off the mat. And hold that in 2 deep breaths. Hold on if you need both hands. And those who want to challenge, place your hand on your hip. Inhale, exhale. Last deep breath. Exhale. And down. 2 more times. Lift. Inhale. Exhale. Take those air out as you breathe out. Last one. And down. And last set on your forearm. Inhale, lift. Squeezing your core in. Exhale. Last deep breath. And exhale down. Switch it up to the other side on your hand, level to your shoulders. Making sure it's not too far. Engaging your triceps and your biceps. Hand on your hip or on the mat. Inhale. Exhale. Last deep breath. Exhale down. So it's a lot of hold. This is beginner program, learning how to do planks safely for beginners. Last deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. And down. And last set on your hand. Lift your hip. Inhale. Exhale. Last deep breath. And exhale. Now let's go to our forearm. Elbow level to your shoulder. Hands pointing forward. And slowly lift your hip off the mat. Inhale. Exhale. 2 deep breaths only. 1 more breath before you rest down. We have 2 more to go. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Last deep breath in. Exhale down. And then last one on your elbow. Inhale. Exhale, lift your hip. With your knees bent for beginners. Last one. Last deep breath. And down. Now we're going to lie on your back. Slow and steady. Roll back. And we're going to do some core isometrics lying on your back by lifting both knees to 90 degrees. As you inhale, slowly lift your hands overhead. And slowly lift your shoulders and your core engagement and hold that position. So this is beginner core. Without straining your neck, you want to focus on your abdominal muscles and hold that in 2 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. So I'm just gently lifting my shoulders. I'm using my core, not my neck muscles. Last deep breath, exhale. If your hands overhead are too difficult, you can place it on your side to help you lift up for absolute beginners. So lift your shoulders off the mat. Inhale, exhale. For those who want to try with your hands a little bit 45 degrees angle, that's fine. Last deep breath. Exhale down. One more. Lift your shoulders in tabletop position. Inhale, exhale. A little bit 45 for challenge. Last one. Inhale and exhale down. We're cooling down now our core. Arms to your side. Slowly lower your knees to the side to stretch your abdominal muscles and your hips. Both knees on one side and turn your head to the opposite. Inhale and exhale. Now switch it up to the other side. Turn your head to the opposite side. Inhale and exhale. One more set. Inhale. And turn your head to the opposite side. Exhale. Feels so good. Day 20. Core isometrics. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Well done. Now hug both knees to your chest. Stretch your glutes and your hips. Clasp your fingers in front of you. interlock them to lock it on your knees area. And hold that in 2 deep breaths. Gently extend your knees, toes pointing to the ceiling, and stretch your hamstrings. And hold that in 2 deep breaths as well. Toes pointing to the ceiling, feel that lovely stretch. And that's it. I'm hoping you learned a lot today on day 20. If you want to follow along and finish strong and well on our 30-day wellness journey, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything. Sign up on my website at anniepilatesphysicaltherapist.com/flourish to receive daily email reminders to motivate and encourage you to finish strong and well and to show up on the mat with excitement. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, leave a comment down below or direct message me on my social media and I'll try my best to answer each one of you. See you tomorrow for day 21. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!